What is going on, YouTube? Luke here to cover a few stocks that I'm targeting in the month of August. I looked through all their reports, financials, even their social media, which was kind of weird how they use it and some don't use it at all. And I wanted to share all that information with you guys today. We have growth stocks, dividend stocks, and a couple that may make you guys think I'm a bit crazier than you already think I am. But I'll explain it all right now. Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will cover the 5 stocks I'm currently targeting and why I chose each. And there might be some controversy on at least one, maybe 2 of my picks, which really is why YouTube has a comment section. So hit that like button, and in exchange, I'll give you my stock picks. Ooh, you guys, can you hear that? Yeah, that's how dedicated I am, trying to do YouTube in the middle of a giant thunderstorm. Thumbs up for dedication, right? So the first stock that I'm targeting, that would be Apple, or ticker symbol AAPL. Now don't click away because I've already done a couple of Apple videos lately, and you're thinking,
this guy has a crush on stocks because he can't get a girl, and I can't take another love letter to Apple.
Well, that may actually be true, but Apple would be more of a 2-decade marriage than a crush. I'll link the video I made about the upcoming split at the end of this video, as it lays out why I'm looking to add Apple this month. But this is the buy and hold forever stock for me, and I will be looking to buy once the excitement and the lightning and the overexcitement dies down from the massive earnings report. So let's keep this train moving. So the second stock I'm targeting, that would be Aegon, ticker symbol AEG. And I have no idea why I choose stocks whose names I cannot pronounce correctly. But they are a global leader in insurance, pensions, and asset management, and manage around $1 trillion in investments. That's trillion with a T, guys, T. You may also know it as Transamerica, which is what it's called here in the US, which is where about 2/3 of their revenue is generated. What I love is they have a super strong and safe balance sheet, and from a pure valuation standpoint, having a PE ratio of around 3 means it's one of the stocks that's not overvalued like so many other stocks are right now. I will be adding some shares of this stock soon, probably next week, since I'm actively trying to increase the dividend part of my portfolio, and it's still down from the whole illness situation. I will post those trades in real time on Patreon like I always do, and you can download a wealth tracker too if you need one. So check me out over there. So stock number 3 that I'm targeting would be JP Morgan Chase, ticker symbol JPM. Now I know, no one likes the bank stocks or, the banks in general. But I love Jamie Dimon and his management team. They were prepared before the financial crisis, they were prepared now, and so I really trust that management team over there. Additionally, we all know banks are backstopped by the US government. They won't fail and won't be allowed to fail, so you have the ultimate insurance policy behind them. They have a solid dividend yield of 3.7% right now, and I think that will increase in the future as well. And yes, I know Buffett has been buying huge amounts of Bank of America, and that may actually be where the deal is. But I like to own the best, and to me personally, Chase is superior to the other banks in every way. So I don't see them having the same issues that the other banks might have if everything goes south again. And Chase is sitting at a price right now that is attractive to me. So don't be surprised to see me buying the stock too in the coming weeks. All right, so let's move on to the fun picks or controversial picks depending upon your perspective. So stock number 4 that I'm targeting, that would be Nordic Atlantic Tanker, or NAT, and Double Hull Tankers, DHT. What? 2 stocks with 1 pick? Well, yeah, it's my channel, so I can change the rules when I want. And I know tanker stocks are ridiculous and many don't understand my fascination with them. But let me try to explain it. It's like when you're in a relationship and you know there may be better things out there overall, but something in that relationship is just too ridiculous to ignore and you don't want to give it up. It's just too awesome. That's how I feel about tanker stocks with their crazy dividend yields. Yes, they fluctuate greatly, I know, but when they do actually pay out 25%, there is no better feeling. You guys could be right, maybe I do need to date more. But I've had a lot of, stop thundering. But I've had a lot of fun tracking these stocks over the past few months, and I will continue to do so. I love both companies' balance sheets. I love the crazy man CEO of NAT. And yes, I know a lot of people have been selling off their shares lately of both these companies for really the past month. Which, if I love a stock, that just means it's a buying opportunity. You should always buy based on your plan, your goals, and your strategy, and never on what is trending. I'm not buying these stocks for their appreciation. That is just a bonus if I get any. I am buying it for the dividend, plain and simple, because that is part of my much larger wealth building plan. And NAT's dividend being at 10% and DHT's dividend being at 25% more than meet my criteria and goals. I already own both and will continue to add shares even if they continue to trade down, as it fits perfectly with my plan long term. And I'll teach you how to create a plan just like I did in my course that is currently being tested as we speak. So make sure you are subscribed, as I will have a special offer just for my subscribers. So the final stock I'm targeting, that would be Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So why am I looking to add more shares of Tesla? I mean, I already have the position I have, don't I? Yes, I do. And if I'm not able to add more, that's okay. But I wouldn't mind increasing my position a little bit. The biggest reason I'm looking to add a few more shares of Tesla is that it has proven they can perform in the craziest of situations. Just look at their second quarter performance. It was incredible given the circumstances. Now I understand completely that it fell 15% afterwards, which I explained in a video earlier this week. I'll link that one at the end too. But that doesn't negate what they did for the quarter as a company and what it does to me for their long-term outlook. So while the stock seems to have taken a breather from the ridiculous run-up, it may open up an opportunity to add a few more shares. Now, do I think if a downturn happens, Tesla will stay over $1,400 a share? Absolutely not. I already saw this show in March. And to be honest, all the stocks I own will take a beating. I don't think there's a single one that won't lose money if that actually happens. But that is just an opportunity to add more shares. Actually, I will be adding a lot more shares if a big downturn happens. In the meantime, I'll just look for an entry point to pick up a handful of shares, like when Elon tweets something crazy or they hit some other bump in the road. So consider joining my Patreon if you want to see those trades in real time and to get direct access to me, which you cannot do anywhere else. And show your support for the channel by liking the video, as we had a deal, guys. Come on, you gotta come through. And follow me on Instagram and my social medias, which just connect together, so I only have to post once if you want to follow my non-existent dating life. But I think it's going to be a crazy next few weeks. So make sure you are subscribed, which you can do right over there, so you can get the truth on all the craziness. And here are the videos I promised about Apple and the upcoming opportunity and why Tesla fell after earnings. Thanks.